This is a no mess, no fuss bacon cook. And as you know, when you cook it in a frying pan, it splatters all over the place. Here, you don't have to do that. You take your baking sheet, line it with foil, put your thick sliced bacon in at 450 for 25 minutes. Now, if you're using thin sliced bacon, do it at 450 for 10 to 15 minutes. It's that quick and easy. You'll love it. The bacon turns out perfect, and it's not a big fat mess. And there it is, all done. 25 minutes later, and once you lay it on some paper towel, it's nice and crispy and no mess.